This problem comes from the My Open Math. It is from exercises 6.3. It is question number 1. And it says to suppose the Maclaurin series f of x is this as given. And then it says to find the first derivative. So to take and find the first derivative, we are going to bring the n down. And we're going to say we have a 10 over 9 to the nth, and then it'll be x to the n minus 1. And so that is the answer to the first part. Then it says the function at, this is the function f at 2x. So the function f at 2x, we have already this notation is written for us, so we just need to, in the fill in the blank area here, we're going to write 10 over 9 to the nth, and in place of x, we're going to put 2x. And then the last one here, this is integrate f of t dt. So let's integrate it. 10 over 9 to the nth power. And then when we integrate, it's going to be x to the n plus 1. And then the whole thing over n plus 1, or we can write 1 over n plus 1 to the left here, like this. And so that's how you do problem